a special extension of the Ninjago news featuring Ninjago crafts.
In this episode, we're going to be making bookmarks.
Yes. So, to start with, we have tape, scissors. We already cut out our
eye pieces, you know.
Yeah, we already cut out the eye pieces and we cut out the shapes of the bookmarks.
Yeah.
So, we need some paper. Paper! Look at it! It just appeared! How magical! Oh, another one!
Oh, wow.
Alright, so we have, if you want to make a Lloyd, you can make it with these. Cole, Jay, Zane,
Kai.
Yeah, Kai, I can't forget Kai.
Nice, Skylar.
And then we have Skylar here just because
we wanted to.
we wanted to add Skylar.
Yeah.
So yeah, those are our colors. I think, what are you going to make today?
I'm going to make a Kai.
Okay, I think I'll make a Cole.
Okay.
Alright, so next we're going to take our little ninja eye pieces.
They're kind of small, but you know, their eyes are small.
Yeah.
Ninja.
And if you want, afterwards, if you don't like the proportions, you can resize the bookmark with a little snip of the scissors.
Yeah.
Next, you take your double-sided tape. I don't think I clarified this is double-sided
Yeah,
tape.
there's double-sided tape. That stuff expensive.
If you have glue, you glue stick.
Yeah,
normal
we just
glue.
have tape.
Yeah. All
It's
right.
like tape that works.
So you're gonna put it about right here. There you go.
I'm just gonna stick it down on the Kai head.
There we go. So the base of your Ninja bookmark is finished.
And now we need some markers. We can
Yes.
make it have eyeballs.
Yeah.
What's a
we need
ninja without eyeballs? They have to be able to see and be stealth
around. Yeah. All right. Give us markers. I think we need some more markers.
More, please.
Okay.
There's markers everywhere.
All right. I think we are well stocked on markers now. Pick color.
For their eyebrows, we need black.
All right. So here we have a nice black marker. Get a nice.
Yeah. Give
Look
their
at that.
eyes, yeah. And so, it's a black marker.
Yes.
Any marker works.
Here,
Sharpie.
would you like to do
Marker.
the honors?
Oh yeah, sure. You can draw some
Alright.
eyeballs. And gorgeous.
All right.
Some beautiful eyeballs.
Go ahead and draw some coal eyes.
And now you could just decorate your ninja
Wait,
bookmark.
we need the eyebrows. Can't miss the eyebrows, guys.
But you can't see the eyebrows.
I'm gonna draw some coal eyebrows because it's not coal without the eyebrows.
So yes.
All right, so we also have some metallic markers right here.
For the details on the ninja, you know how they have those gold.
Yeah, gold and silver.
Stuff. Yep.
So this is what we're gonna use. It's also hard to do details on coal, so this is what I'm using.
Black on black doesn't really work, and color and
No.
stuff either. And
Okay.
thanks for the close-up.
We're just getting a couple close-ups.
Now I'm gonna use a gold.
Coal's silver and black, right?
I thought it was gold. Wait, no. Oh, yeah. No, okay.
Thank you, behind the scenes,
Yeah.
dude.
Hi.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Are these the ones that explode everywhere? Can I test it on something first?
Yes, feel free to test it on any piece of paper.
I'm using this Zane one because I can see it. Remember how one time it exploded everywhere?
Oh yes, that was quite an exciting time.
That was tragic. I'm pretty sure this Kai expression looks like concerned, but you know, whatever. Kai is concerned about his future as a ninja
Why is he concerned about that?
because his hair is too awesome. His suit has become distressed. He's had too many fights with gold is wearing off.
All right.
I'm gonna write Kai on the bottom so I never forget. Kai. There we go. Now this is gorgeous. So now, whenever you're reading a book, now Ninja will be staring at you.
Yes. You can have, you can make as many as you want, obviously, because it's a
Yeah.
free country, a free Ninjago world. And, yeah, so this is our craft of the day. Now it's time to clean up. All right, that's our crafts. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Kristen and Nina with the Ninjago News and Ninjago Crafts signing out. Bye.